Hi guys, a short share video about fish. I was living last month with an old command that I typed, and it was well, bugging me after months. So it did not really affect my work. But how to remove fish history, things you have typed and it remembers a wrong command. So let's put in a wrong command. When you go for fish, right, to fish, basically, then it will install, well, no, I don't think it will install fish as such. So sudo pacman -sfish is something you need to decide, and there's also the ArcoLinux fish package if you decide using it, right? Thing is, if you made a decision, as you can see, that's why this thing is green. I have, right, for months already. So we have here shell fish. The thing is, I type something like, I don't know, update and then Eric or something, right? A typo. And then, of course, it will update and target not found Eric. If you go arrow up, it says, of course, previous command. But even when you go for new terminal and next day you type update, it comes with Eric at the end, right? Thinking, hey, it's gonna try to do the same thing as before, and it stays there forever and ever, right? So today I got fed up with it and asked ChatGPT, what should I do? And finally, what did I do? I wanted to know where the file was. Remove local share fish history. So there is a file. Okay, so local is here, share is here, fish is here. Let's get rid of this typo now. Fish history, right? Double click. And all the way down, look, this is how long I've been on it. So a lot of commands. Last one being a wrong one. Update Eric. So basically, I delete this Eric thing. I save it again. Quit everything. Ctrl T. I'm back with fish. I type update and it suggests update. It does not suggest update Eric. The typo is gone, right? And basically, yeah, what you just saw, that's why I like it. If you just go for something like ArcoLinux, right, you have immediately the complete list of all the things I could do and 5 rows more. And for instance, fix is interesting, right? Let's include this in the video again. Fix keys, fix this, fix that, fix this, fix that. And the remove thing, remove, also interesting, very interesting. Remove all this, but just like this, right? Check out what can be removed with a script. And toggle is also something that's interesting. Toggle AKM Celtic repo, so that's the Arch Linux kernel manager. And that's basically the same thing as this thing. So if we're on Arch, we have also the possibility to quickly change to Celtic repo. That's the one from ArcoLinux, test repo on for the testers, and ArcoLinux repos on and off, right? And to grub, etc. Okay, that's fish for you. Maybe it's something you should have a look at. It's up to you. It's another shell. It gives you more information, and certainly for beginners, I think it might be interesting. If you type S and you're wondering what else is there, this. Remove all packages. We can go for view package. We can go for list all packages in a repository. I mean, right? And if it's a queue, it's something else. Queue this, queue that. All kind of information. And it's neat, right? It's neat to get this overview of commands or options. Cheers.